Hello everyone, today we're investigating Bitnest, a DeFi platform promising automatic returns up to 24% per month through smart contracts. You've probably seen it hyped on Telegram, but is Bitnest a legitimate DeFi or a sophisticated Ponzi scheme? Let's break it down. So Bitnest markets itself as a decentralized finance platform where you deposit crypto into loops or saving boxes for 1 to 28 days, and the smart contract automatically returns your deposit plus high yields up to 12% per month. They claim it's fully automated, transparent, and backed by audited smart contracts. Some users report successful withdrawals, which makes it seem legit. But here's the disturbing reality. First, anonymous team with zero accountability. There's no information about who created Bitnest. The project is simply anonymous, with no legal entity, no office, and no jurisdiction. One investigator has linked Bitnest to Munir Ali Qaid Al Janadi, known as Mr. Janadi, who's being connected to previous crypto scams like Yunus Loop and Melian Coin. Second, the business model is unsustainable. Where are these guaranteed 12 to 24% monthly returns coming from? There's no real revenue source explained. The platform collects funds from users and redistributes them to other participants. This is literally the definition of a Ponzi scheme. It works until it doesn't. Third, on chain analysis exposes crime connections. An exclusive forensic investigation traced Bitnest's smart contract and found it was initially funded through Tornado Cash and Bridgers.xyz, tools commonly used for money laundering. The analysis revealed direct links to HuLoan, a known platform for criminal money recycling, and connections to criminal organizations operating in Asia. The smart contract has moved approximately $260 million in just 5 months, with volumes exploding since March 2025. This massive growth is typical of Ponzi schemes in the early stages. Here's why it seems to work for some users. Ponzi schemes always pay out early participants using money from new investors. This creates quote unquote proof that encourages more people to invest in larger amounts. Eventually, when the new deposits slow down or operators decide to exit, withdrawals stop and everyone loses everything. The fact that some people got their money back doesn't prove legitimacy, it proves the scam is still in operational phase. The final verdict? If you have funds in Bitnest, understand that you're gambling with money you should consider already lost. The platform could collapse at any moment. That's how Ponzi schemes work. Do not invest more hoping to get rich. Do not recruit friends or family. You'll be making them victims too. The anonymous operators can disappear overnight with all funds, and there will be no one to hold accountable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.